Hey guys, today I'm going to be giving myself a taper fade on my dreadlocks, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. After I give myself a taper fade in today's video, I'm also going to be doing a twist out because I've had my 2-strand twist in for over 2 weeks. But before any of that, I have a bunch of orders to ship out today, so I'm going to get started with that first. I love hearing all of your feedback about how the tools on Dreadlocks.com has helped you guys out, and if you guys need any of the tools on Dreadlocks.com, make sure to click the link down below. And for anybody who's new, you can always go and check out our About page to see what all of this is about. But you guys, let's take a look at my hair. I mean, man, I let it overgrow and it's looking pretty bad, but we're gonna fix it in today's video. But now it's time to get into the cut. We're going to start off this cut by pulling the hair back so that it's out of the way. We don't want to cut off any dreadlocks today. I'll also be using guards in the fade today, and I'm actually only going to be using 3 of these, and I'll explain throughout the cut. Always have a brush on deck because you're constantly going to be brushing the hair in between cuts. This is so that the hair lays down and it can thread through the clippers smoothly. And now it's time to cut. Start by making that first guideline and then balled out everything under that with the lever closed. And then I opened up the lever and then I started to go up about 1/2 inch. Since we don't have too much room to work with, I want to work in small increments. After I went up about 1/2 inch with the lever open, I put on my first guard, which is the 1 guard, and I went up another 1/2 inch. And notice how I'm flicking out the entire time. You want to do this as well. This helps blend everything together so you're not getting any harsh lines. And then just to top it off, I went all the way up, going straight up using the 2 guard, lever closed. And this gets rid of all that bulk so that it gives it a nice clean blend. And remember guys, I'm a beginner. I don't know how to do this perfectly, but I'm learning. So I would just encourage you to get yourself some clippers and try it out as well. You can also use the 1/2 guard to blend in between the lever open and your 1 guard, and I just did a little touch-up work with it. And I'm constantly reminding myself to keep brushing in between cuts. Able to see that it isn't perfect, but you can keep working the cut in order to make it look the best that you possibly can. And now that we're done with the fade, it's time for the lineup. This is the best part. I'm going to be using my T outliners, and I have them modified to where there's 0 gaps, which means that it just gets a closer cut. And I also did a half skeleton on the case just so I can see a little bit better since I'm cutting my own hair. And when doing the lineup, you just want to tap in areas. You want to do light work. Don't go in making big changes. You just want to do little changes here and there to make it look good all together. Once you find that it looks the way that you want it to, then you're pretty much done. But keep in mind, you want the fade to look like how you see barbers doing fades. So you want to study other barbers and get inspiration so that you can do it yourself. And all it takes is practice. Alright, I'm all finished up with the fade, and now it is time to do the twist out on my dreadlocks. Perfect. Now it's time for the twist out. This is where the transformation begins. If you ever wanted curly dreadlocks, this is the hairstyle in order to get them. All you have to do is put the 2-strand twists in, leave them in for a little bit, and then you can take them out.
The sun sets on fire, tell me your desires. We're not getting tired, baby, take me higher. I'm Sunday, you love it, come on, give me something. I know that
I left mine in for 2 weeks, and that's gonna have an extreme hold on them.
the night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby.
But now that I'm done with the twist out, it's time for the final look. I hope you enjoy it.
Fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey.
Guys, this is honestly my favorite dreadlock journey so far. I feel that I've put so much time and effort into these, and they are really showing for it.
Summer of our lives.
With starting out with the twisting with gel, and then constantly doing that, and then sacrificing some dreadlocks in order to get a taper fade, and then separating a whole bunch of dreadlocks in order to have more, it's really turning out really good. And this is all it takes. You just have to have patience, and you have to put in the time and the effort, and you can get good results.
Love me right. If you love me right, yeah. If you
That's an entire year of photos every single day of me growing out my hair. I'm extremely glad that I did this process because now I get the benefit of being able to look back at the entire process. And in next week's video, I'm gonna show you guys the entire process of what that actually looked like, of taking a picture every single day and my hair growth journey. And the crazy part about the whole thing is that I've had my dreadlocks in for only 6 months. So this next video is actually going to be a 6-month dreadlock update, but it's gonna be a year of hair growth. But you guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe because these next few videos are gonna be really awesome. And I'm on the road to 500,000 subscribers, so make sure to subscribe. But other than that, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully you guys do have an amazing day. Matter of fact, have a great day. Peace. God bless.
this could be the summer.